See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
My brother, Nigerian youths are so dead. They are so dead that they are just there like 210 trillion naira, equivalent to $150 billion missing or unaccounted for at NNPC allegedly between 2017 to 2023-24. 210 trillion unaccounted for. Even for them to put L in front of NNPC, they spent billions. Nigerian youth, they like, this much money, these people don't finish us, they move on. Do you know 210 trillion equivalent to $150 billion is more than our external reserve, times 4 of our external reserve. Do you know that we are 220 million? If they share this money to everybody in Nigeria, the least where the poorest go get na 10 million plus. Some will get more. They said they stole your money and you do your money like, make them they go and leave them for God. You have left your destiny for God. You have left the glory of your children unborn for God. Abba, look at churches, the God you are living into. Churches are more nicer than your hospital. Churches are nicer than your schools. You are busy leaving everything for God. 210 trillion missing allegedly, unaccounted for by NNPC. You kept your mouth shut. Hey, I know one die. My mama dey for us. My mama dey for us. Who supposed die? Who supposed come out and ask questions that where is this money? Up to today, you don't have no working refinery. All your refineries, they spent billions. You go keep your mouth shut. That one don't go. Your destiny, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. You Nigerians, you are dead and you are not vibrant and you are used to this beggy. You are used to this poverty. You are used to everything they throw at you. You see, the day you start opening your mouth to ask questions, that's the day you will get deliverance. Diego.